Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to add sticker pack in Telegram. Firstly guys, you need to open a chat that you want to add a sticker pack in it. For example, this one. Now as you can see on the typing side, on my left wing I have a sticker side that I need to just click on it. Then guys, here as you can see, here are all the emojis that has been included in this sticker mode. What I need to do here, as you can see on my side, I have a free options, a sticker side, a gift side, and then a sticker pack side. I need to open the third one, a sticker pack, and there as you can see here are the trending stickers. I need to choose one and send it and go for add, go back, and here as you can see you have added this sticker pack in Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.